Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Gully Bop has died. The dancehall entertainer born Robert Lee Malcolm has died. He was 59 years old. E-Prime understands that Gully Bop was admitted to the Kingston Public Hospital for about 2 weeks for an undisclosed medical condition. A few months ago, he went to public seeking help to pay his medical bills and for food. Now, Gully Bop gained fame back in 2014 after freestyle performances went viral on social media. He released popular songs like Every Girl Want to Hook Over Me, My God, and Them No Bad Like Me. Gully Bop had previously been known as countryman in the early 1990s, but did not gain significant recognition in the industry. He was also known for his relationships with Amari and Shauna Chin. Now, social media reacts as Massacre is teasing new album. Earlier today, the Genocide boss took to social media, teasing fans with a snippet of a single from his upcoming album, Cold. The new album is scheduled for release this November. Can't wait. Now, Blink-182 makes history with One More Time. Now, the album has topped the Billboard 200 albums chart, marking its third chart-topping set. The album has also achieved 2 number ones on Billboard's alternative airplay chart, with Edging and the top track reaching number 61 and 62 respectively. The Rolling Stones also extended their record for the most top 10 charting albums in the history of the list, with Hackney Diamonds debuting at number 3, marking the group's 38th top 10 effort. Drake, Jennifer Lopez and Adam Lambert join plea for a pause in Israel-Palestine conflict. The trio have joined the growing list of performers who've signed the Artist for Ceasefire open letter asking U.S. President Joe Biden and the U.S. Congress to push a ceasefire in the war between Israel and Hamas. The letter, which bears the name of several artists, reads, "We urge our administration, Congress, and all world leaders to honor all of the lives in the Holy Land and call for and facilitate a ceasefire without delay, an end to the bombing in Gaza, and the safe release of the hostages." The letter went on to add half of Gaza's 2 million residents are children, and more than 2/3 are refugees, and their descendants are being forced to flee their homes. Humanitarian aid must be allowed to reach them. It ends, beyond our pain and mourning for all the people there and their loved ones around the world, we are motivated by an unbending will to stand for our common humanity. We stand for freedom, justice, dignity, and peace for all people, and a deep desire to stop more bloodshed. The most recent conflict between Israel and Hamas began on October 7, when thousands of Hamas fighters crossed the Gaza-Israeli border, killing more than 1,400 Israeli civilians and over 300 soldiers. They took hostages, more than 200 of them, whose fate is still unknown. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.